Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make a PDF available offline in Google Drive. This feature is incredibly useful, especially when you're traveling or in areas with limited internet connectivity. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to open the Google Drive app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to your App Store and download it. Once it's installed, launch the app and sign into your Google account. Next, find the PDF file you want to make available offline. You can do this by navigating through your folders or using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you've located the PDF, look for the three dots next to the file name. This icon represents more options for that particular file. Now click on those three dots. A menu will appear with several options related to that PDF. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Available Offline. Click on this option to enable offline access for your selected PDF. Once you've done this, Google Drive will begin downloading the file for offline use. You'll know it's ready when you see a small checkmark icon next to the file name, indicating that it's now available without an internet connection. And that's it. You can now access your PDF anytime, anywhere, even if you're not connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. This is particularly handy for reading important documents during your commute or while traveling. Remember, any changes made to the PDF while offline will sync automatically once you reconnect to the internet, so feel free to annotate or highlight as needed. In summary, making a PDF available offline in Google Drive is a straightforward process. Open the app, find your file, click on the three dots next to it, and select Available Offline. With these simple steps, you'll ensure that your important documents are always at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tricks on using Google Drive effectively. Happy organizing!